Oh, here's cute Precious Piper, sitting here waiting to go upstairs. Yeah, you can go up there whenever you want, sweetie. She likes to wait for me, though. Then we can go up there together and get to work. Yeah, you're such a considerate office manager, aren't you? Yes, you are. Just waiting there for people to start coming up. Yep, that's where we're going, all right. Right up there. Yeah, that's where you usually sit up there on the landing. Yep. Oh, she's checking out something up there. What is it? Huh? I guess she just wants to go upstairs. Okay, let's get going.